Come here, now. I'm not playing with you. Come here.
I have been playing with y'all for years.
Come here, right?
Fucking years.
Active 205, here as we begin clearing. Clear and service tonight.
Come here, now.
Okay, you're not gonna touch me.
Get on the ground now. Get on the ground. Get on the ground now.
Listen, you're gonna let me go.
Lay on the ground.
You're gonna let me go and all your fucking
Lay
footage
on
on the
your
TV
stomach.
shit?
Lay on your
No,
stomach.
you're gonna bring out all your fucking producers right now. All your fucking TV shits, you're gonna bring them out now. Bring them out fucking now. Bring it out now. You're gonna bring them out now. Nope. All your fucking producers, you better bring them out now.
Negative. I'm trying to get her secured. She's resistant.
Yep, you better bring them out. Bring them out.
You can for now.
Yep.
Put your hands behind your back. Do it now.
No. You can go fuck yourself.
What are you doing this for?
Because y'all are fucking videoing me. You know you are. I told you to stop for years. You're not fucking stopping.
Put your hands behind
You're
your back.
gonna fucking stop.
You're
gonna come through with it.
Now I'm not playing with you. Put your hands behind your back. Do it now. Put your hands behind your back now. You're gonna get tased if you don't put your hands behind your back. You know that, right?
More for your TV shit?
Yeah, you think so?
More for TV? More for TV, right? Is that what it is? That's what it is. That's what it is, right?
Don't move.
That's what it is? More for TV? Huh? That's what it is?
Don't move. I'm telling you now. You're gonna get tased if you don't stop.
Is that what it is? That's what it is. More for TV, right? Yep. More for TV. You fucking losers. You fucking losers, man. I'll be a TV show. I'll be a fucking TV show, huh? You fucking red fucking haired fucking prick.
I'm not the one.
Fucking done.
Battery on Leo too.
Yeah.
Now you just got 2 charges.
Oh, woohoo.
Good job.
Yeah, you'll know that call.
Just 1 second, okay? I'm just gonna be here for a witness, okay?
Be on TV.
That's why I stopped.
Be on TV.
224.
That's why you stopped, so you could be on TV, right? Yep. 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 Guess what? You're fucked. You're so fucked, all of you.
224 Flagger, did you copy?
Yep. I copied whatever you shot in my fucking eyes.
Time for you can clear the channel. Stand up. Nope. Stand up or I'll drag you there.
Guess what?
The choice is yours. Let's go. Alright, we can sit here all day then. I ain't got nowhere to go.
Me neither.
Lay there.
Me neither, you fucking dick. Yeah, you shaking now, ain't you, you little fucking pussy ass?
You're crazy. You think I'm
You're
scared
a
of you.
fucking little pussy.
Relax.
Little fucking pussy.
Didn't work out well for you though, did it?
Yeah, didn't work out well for you.
Okay,
It ain't gonna. Think about the long run, buddy.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Think about the fucking long
It
run.
didn't work out.
Didn't work out for you.
Okay.
Guess what? I'll be out and I'll be fucking shining.
Okay.
You're gonna be fucking in dog shit.
Okay.
Yep. Shoveling shit the rest of your life. Fucking worthless piece of shit.
She's kicking and stuff, so
Okay.
watch out.
Hey, check this out. We're gonna stand you up, put you in the car. You start kicking,
Hey,
you're going
check
right
this
back
out.
down on the ground.
That's
You
where I want to
understand?
be. That's
You
where I
wanna
want
be
to
down
fucking.
on the
Yes, that's
ground?
where I'd like to be.
I just
So
tried to
fucking
pick her up,
have
she
fun with
started
that.
kicking. I'm gonna cut this backpack though.
That's fine.
Or do you have a knife? Can you cut this
I
backpack?
sure do.
Yep. Well, you guys didn't go to much schooling, did you? You didn't have much schooling, did you? You didn't have much schooling, did you?
Alright, come on. Just leave her on the side until we get somebody else here.
Oh, that's what you tried to hit me with, huh?
Oh, shit.
Yikes.
That's not what I tried to hit you with.
I watched you swing it at me. What are you talking
Are you
about?
kidding me? I was fucking the vape, you dummy. Yeah. I would kill you if I could, though.
Where'd you pick that up from?
I didn't pick that up. I threw that.
You see? No, that though. You seen that right there, right?
Oh yes, that's what she was stabbing the guard with.
Okay.
Get in the car. We got someone at 15. We're trying to get him in the vehicle right now.
Just set her back down. Hey, you're done. Do you understand?
So are you. Do you understand?
You're done.
You alright? Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, I'll add more tempo.
I'm almost positive that that's what scratched my leg, though.
Don't you kick me.
Bitch, I'll fucking do what I want.
No, you won't, 'cause your ass is gonna get tased.
Yeah.
Let go of me. Come on, man. Don't even start.
Man.
Don't even start.
Fucking start with your ass.
I need her to run first.
It hurt? No, it doesn't. You know what? You know what's gonna hurt? Is y'all fucking asses are done.
Oh.
So fucking done.
If I
Listen
gotta.
to the thing. I know that you're all fucking jokes.
Okay.
You're a fucking joke.
She got out of
All of you.
Put the hand behind your back. I'm going less lethal. I'm going less lethal, Cabbage. You're good. I'm gonna tase you if you do not put your hands behind your back. 1, 2,
Ma'am.
3.
Taser, taser, taser.
Ow!
Put your hands behind your back. Put your other hand behind your back. Do it right now. Put that other hand.
You're a fucking pussy. You know that? That's what you need? That's what you gotta do? You're a fucking pussy.
Yep.
You're a fucking pussy. All it is.
That's double locked. Hold her hand.
That's what you gotta do? You fucking pussy. That's what you are.
Take your time, take your time.
Just wait. Just wait, dude. Just fucking wait. Your welcome home party is gonna be fun.
It is double locked.
Your fucking welcome
Wanna make
home
sure this
party
one
is
is
gonna be fun.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, you're a real officer? Yeah, okay.
We got her good?
They're not real officers. Listen, when this is done, you're all fucked. You hear me? You're fucking pussies and you're all fucked.
If I had $1 for every time someone told me
Yeah,
that,
for every time somebody fucking told you that, you fucking wait.
Now.
Fucking goddamn wait. Yep.
Sounds good.
Ready? Go to the other side. Yep. I got her. No, I know. We gotta
adjust
gotta
her.
flip her.
Only her on her stomach.
Turn this way.
No.
We're trying to help you. Turn this way.
Yeah, no. You're trying to help yourself.
Okay.
No, we're trying to help you, man.
No, you're trying to help yourself because you're not allowed to leave me on my stomach, you dumb fuck. I'm not stupid.
Yeah, exactly.
So go fuck yourself.
Exactly.
You're gonna go tase me again so I can fucking... Yeah, you're gonna go tase me again? Yeah, no. Fuck you. Fuck you, dude. Fuck you. No, where's all the cameras? Bring them out. They're fucking all over the place. Listen, you dick.
You good?